Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Shopkick gift card reward app review. So to get started with a quick overview, Shopkick is a free reward app that allows users to earn points known as a kick for various shopping related activities, both online and in store. This kick can be redeemed for gift card to popular retailers such as Amazon Wallet and Target, Starbucks, and more. The app offers multiple ways to earn kicks, including walking into stores, scanning products, barcodes, making purchases, watching videos, and linking credit or debit card. And here's a quick review about the strength of this kick platform. Users can accumulate kicks through various activities, making it accessible for different shopping habits, and also you can earn kick simply by walking into a participating stores or scanning product barcode without the need to make a purchase. And also gift cards are typically delivered promptly, often within an hour of redemption. And here's the downside about this platform. Some users report that certain earning opportunities are not available in all geographic locations, and also there are complaints regarding slow or unresponsive customer service, particularly when issues arises when redeeming rewards. And also some users have experienced problems with their account, such as missing kick or issues with link card. And here's the bottom line about this platform. So Shopkick is a legitimate and a user-friendly app that offers a variety of ways to earn gift card without requiring a purchase. It's also a particular beneficial for those who enjoy shopping and want to earn rewards passively. However, users should be aware of potential customer service challenge and ensure that the app offering are available in their areas.